We're here at an organic coconut farm in Amphawa province, which is south of Bangkok. This coconut farm employs permaculture farming methods, which allows for a huge diversity of plant life on the farm. So there's not just coconut trees, but there's all different types of other plants, as well as fish, crabs, and all types of insects. We saw bees buzzing around before, and at night there's squirrels that come by and eat the coconuts that fall on the ground. So this type of forest farm, it takes a lot of planning in the beginning to know which are the right kinds of plants that will coexist in nature together, but it doesn't need anything like pesticides or fertilizer in order to help the coconuts grow. Once it starts going on its own, it's its own ecosystem. It preserves biodiversity. It leads to better coconuts because you don't have to use fertilizer or pesticides. Coconut trees can last up to 60 years. After 9 years, after they germinate, they can start producing coconuts. And it takes between 8 and 9 months for a mature coconut to form once it starts budding off the tree. If you look up, you'll see coconut trees and these kind of clusters of coconuts. They kind of form in buds. If you took off a coconut, the nectar that would pour out of it could be used to make coconut sugar and coconut nectar, coconut honey. As you can see, there's little cuts in the tree, and that helps when workers climb the tree in order to go get the coconuts at the top. A farm like this, I mean, each tree can create 50 to 200 coconuts a year. And then they have it in cycles, so they'll do one side of the tree and then 10 days later they'll do another side of the tree. And humans actually climb up these huge trees. They're like 50, 60 feet tall to get the coconuts at the top. Here you can see fabric. It's taken right off of the plant tree right here. This could be used for textiles, to make bags out of it. I have a hat that's made out of coconut fiber like this.